So today we will look at the muscles of pharynx. So basically there are two types of muscles in pharynx. Number one are circular muscles, right? Circular muscles. And number two is number two we are having longitudinal muscles, right? And still there are like three type of each. We are having circular muscles and other we are having longitudinal muscles, and these circular muscles basically are known as constrictors, right? So number one we are having circular muscle which is known as superior constrictor. Superior constrictors, right? Your number one muscle of the circular muscle is superior constrictor, and our second is, and we will also talk about the origin too. Number second is middle constrictor. Number second is middle constrictor, right? Number third is inferior constrictor, right? Number third is inferior constrictor. Now let's talk about it from where they originate and where they end. So the superior, basically the superior constrictor originate from, like, it starts from heart palate. It starts from heart palate and it ends to, like, the ending point is thyroid cartilage. Like, the ending point is thyroid cartilage. Let me write it here. So what is thyroid cartilage? Basically thyroid cartilage is actually the cartilage of larynx. It is a cartilage of larynx, thyroid cartilage. So the superior constrictor starts from heart palate and it ends to thyroid cartilage, right? Now let's talk about the middle constrictor. So it starts from, like, it originates from, its origin is from stylohyoid ligament. It starts from stylohyoid ligament and its end to hyoid bone, and everyone is quite familiar with hyoid bone. It is the only bone in our body which is not attached to any other bone, right? So that is hyoid bone. So the middle constrictors originate from stylohyoid ligament and ends to hyoid muscle, right? Then second we are having inferior constrictors, right? And these constrictors originate from, like this, originate from cricoid cartilage, from cricoid cartilage, and it ends to, like, the ending point is thyroid cartilage. So the origin point is cricoid cartilage and the ending point is thyroid cartilage. So basically thyroid, actually cricoid cartilage is also a cartilage of larynx. Basically we are having 9 cartilages of larynx, in which, like, we are having 5, like 4 are major, 4 major cartilages and 5 are minor cartilages, in 9. So basically there are 9 cartilages of larynx. So thyroid cartilage and cricoid cartilage both are the part of cartilages of larynx. So as you can see over here, the superior constrictors start from heart palate and it ends to thyroid cartilage. The middle constrictor starts from stylohyoid ligament to the hyoid bone. Over here, like it's not muscle, it's bone basically. Right, and the inferior cartilage starts from cricoid cartilage to the thyroid cartilage. Right, now let's talk about the muscles, the longitudinal muscles. So basically we are having three longitudinal muscles. Number one is stylopharyngeal muscle. So number one is stylopharyngeal muscles. It is a type of longitudinal muscles, right? Next we are having celopingopharyngeal. Right, pharyngeal muscle. It is also a muscle, right? And number third, we are having platopharyngeal and number third is platopharyngeal muscles. Like the longitudinal muscles, of first is stylopharyngeal muscle, the second is celopingopharyngeal muscle, and third is platopharyngeal muscle, right? So these are the muscles of pharynx. Let me show you a diagram in order to make your concept more clear about it. So you can easily see in this diagram we are having here, it is like here we are having this superior constrictor, which is part of circular muscles, right? This is having we stylopharyngeus. This is this basically line. This line is known as stylopharyngeal. Is a type of longitudinal muscles, and here we are having this middle constrictor, and this we are having inferior constrictor. Basically their structure is something like this. Let me draw you diagram over here. And okay, as you can see over here we are having first, here we are having second, and here we are having third. So now you can easily label, this is the superior one, this is the middle one, like we are talking about the circular muscles, right? And this is the inferior, like these we are talking about circular muscles, right? Okay, and what's the work of actually these muscles? What's the work function of these muscles? Basically to elevate, like their function is to close epiglottis, like when the food is swallowing, and it helps in swallowing, and it helps in movement of bolus, because like the primary peristalsis starts from pharynx, like the secondary peristalsis starts from esophagus. Like it can be asked in MCQ set from where the primary peristalsis starts, like not primary, only peristalsis starts. So basically the answer should be pharynx. The from pharynx, like primary peristalsis starts. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear to you.